The value I see is that this is the future. The pandemic proved that technology is here and it's needed, and we need to catch up. So I feel that we're giving students the skills needed for them to be successful when they move on. This is not something that they have to go to school and pay for. It's not like when they go to college and they want to major in this. They're getting these skills right now so they can, be ahead of the curve.
I think it's super valuable just for students to know. So we use computers every day, and we don't necessarily emphasize that enough in school. So for students to really develop the background knowledge in that, in the tools that we use every day, I think is so valuable.
I think computer science is our future. Technology is growing very fast, and these students need to have an understanding of what computer science is so that they can thrive in whatever world they decide to go in.
There's so much newness on everything that because there's this embrace of newness, or there's that culture of newness, it allows us to look towards the future and so if we're looking towards the future, especially with music education, this is in the future. So why not try to figure it out now? Why not teach it now?
I really see a lot of value in it because I think that there's kids get to see, I love taking them outside. I love having them do real world application there. And I think that this is another real world application, except it's in the classroom we get to use computers and stuff, and they get to use these different things that they might not see. A lot of times it's kind of more fun for them. So they see these programs as being not necessarily normal schooling.
I'm really excited about creating an app for the 7th grade. They read a book, Long Walk to Water, and that we would like to create an app that shows their water usage and ways that they can function without using so much water.
So the next unit that I'm teaching in the Code.org curriculum is the games unit, and I'm really excited to teach that because I think the kids will really enjoy it.
I think there are two that come to mind. One of them, the students are using PowerPoint to create avatars, and then they're going to take those avatars and they're going to animate them in a program called Scratch, and they're going to animate it to tell us who they are. Another project that I hope to do this year is called Plush Pals, where the students are going to use microbits and they're going to learn about machine learning. So they're going to kind of program the computer to have the stuffed animal interact with it. So when the stuffed animal raises its hand, the computer will say hello.
But we are starting a music production club next quarter, and this is in particular going towards that ear sketch program that we were talking about. So there's a major program we're going to start there, and then within our curriculum, within the band program, we're going to use these softwares a lot to think about how to upload sounds and how to manipulate the sounds that we're creating on our own. So sourcing, how do we sample on our own?
Definitely with the VR goggles, I've always been nervous. We got them a couple years ago, and we're going to hopefully be doing something in this current unit with cells and looking at cells through this virtual reality. And because the program is still new to our school, the kids will actually get to do help design the world almost, which I think is going to be really exciting for them as well.